Yo, what is up, guys? I'm in some early longs right here on NASDAQ, as you guys can see right there. Overall, we have bullish order flow on the H1. We are respecting the previous cycle's high. So I can't really show you guys right now, but I'm gonna give you guys a more in-depth analysis why. But they are really early, so that's why they're not the highest of probability, but we did get that internal sweep with it. We have a fair value gap, we have everything, so that's why I took it. And but again, just a demo, getting used to trading back on MT5, as you guys could see. And yeah, just chilling. This is my first trade on the account. This is just the FTMO 100k trial. As you guys can see right here, down 0.2% or something like that. And yeah, keep you guys updated on how it goes. Yo, the trade started pushing a little bit. We're up like 0.8%. And yeah, we also have SMT, so that's more confirmation. I want to see this candle close. Yeah, that's a beautiful candle close. But this trade is still not really confirmed since we still have that imbalance right there, if you guys can see it. So it's not really confirmed yet, but I'm pretty confident in it because I do have an overall bullish bias. So I think it is going to go to TP. My TP is at that high right there. If not, it's going to be right there at the candle close. But we'll see. Today is again FOMC day, so not really going to put real risk. Just trading demo. AM session is usually not the best on FOMC days. So yeah, but I think I'm going to leave this trade how it is, and then I'm just going to go to the gym. We still pushing. Look at that beautiful candle. We pushing on the 5 minute. This is why I love trading on MT5, bro. Like, look at that P&L, bro. Look at that. Look at how that pushing. Look at that sniper entry right there. FOMC day, so again, not real risk, but still a beautiful trade. I'm gonna give you guys my reasoning later on to the day, but yeah, it's a beautiful trade. Yo, as you guys can see, I got stopped at break even. I told you guys, we still don't have confirmation until we violate this fair value gap right here. As you can see, we respected that fair value gap, and we had SMT with those highs. As you can see, ES did take out that high. Oh, why did I block the camera? ES did take out that high, so we had that SMT. So I put my stop to break even because there was still a chance we could reverse. And as you can see, we came all the way back down here to break even with a lot of displacement. So yeah, I don't know. It was still a good trade in my opinion, but it didn't run even a 2R. Like, this was the like a 25-point stop. So the trade didn't even run 2 hours, so I couldn't have closed it. I could have definitely taken partials after we got into that fair value gap, so that's something I should have done. But again, it's a demo trade, FOMC day, so I didn't really take this trade that serious. That's why I took it on a demo. And yeah. Anyways, yeah, that was it. Done for the day. I'm gonna go to the gym right now because I have to go play some paddle later on. So I have to go to the gym early today. And yeah, as you guys can see, break even. And now we just chilling. Yo, as you guys can see, longs are playing out, but then again, didn't engage because it was FOMC day. It is FOMC day. So the market can do some unpredictable things. So I just decided to tape read after that break even. And yeah, you know, right now it's like three hours before FOMC. So I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna do some back testing, go to the gym, and when I'm back, I think it's around FOMC time. And I'm gonna keep you guys updated on how that goes. is up, guys? Today we are back with another FOMC day recap for you guys. So I'm gonna get straight to the point. Remove this indicator. I'm gonna get straight to the point. So today I traded demo because again FOMC day, like I said like 1 billion gazillion times today. It was FOMC day, so in the AM session I wasn't really planned to trade, but I did take a trade again on a demo. I'm on crack right now. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, just I didn't really see that good of a setup, but I was initially just bullish. It was really not even that good of a setup, let me be honest. Like, it was basically just I was playing a guessing game. Let me try. I'm trying to see why I took the trade. That's how you know it's a bad trade, if you don't know why, if you don't remember why you took it. But that's why, again, I was just having fun on the 100k demo account. Like, wasn't really taking it that serious. But I remember I just saw we were reacting from this H1 for value gap, and just looking at the daily candle. Yeah, now I can't really tell you guys anything because it's in hindsight. But I remember just looking at the daily candle. The previous day we took out the daily low, and then opening up today, like, we just looked really bullish, and we were just looking like we were gonna push up to these highs. And again, previously on last week we took out all of these lows, and it was just looking real bullish. I remember I just had an overall bullish bias going into the week, and we just reacted from this H1 for value gap. We already rebalanced this inefficiency, and I just saw these dumb lows get taken and like this fair value gap get respected, and I just decided to press longs. You know what I mean? After I saw a really bullish candle, or not even, it wasn't even that bullish, but I just saw this bullish candle right here, and yeah, I just took it. And I'm take profit right here. But again, to be honest, I didn't really think this trade was gonna hit TP, because again, FOMC chop. Expected FOMC to be choppy in the AM session. Like, that's a tip for you beginner traders. Like, never trade the FOMC day, the morning session. Never. If you trade FOMC day, trade the PM session after FOMC, because that's when you get the best price action. So yeah, that was a long. I got stopped at break even. Didn't really give a fuck about the trade, honestly. Like, it wasn't a good high quality trade, but my directional bias was correct after FOMC. So look at that. We had a heavy sentiment day because we just kept on pushing until the market closed. But let's see. Yeah. So going into FOMC again, I was still bullish, but to be honest, I expected for us to take out these lows. But then I saw we had SMT right here. We had this clear SMT right before FOMC. Let me see if I can show you guys the SMT. Yeah, that's the SMT right there. As you can see, all of these equal lows got taken on ES, and we did not take them on NQ. So we had that heavy SMT to the upside, and then I was just waiting for FOMC to hit, to be honest. Like, there was nothing I could do in this situation. But I did engage in some shorts. I'm not even gonna cap. Again, on the demo, I didn't put real risk on any trade today because I don't like FOMC days. But I did engage in a small short in here after we had this internal manipulation. And usually FOMC tends to be, like, the initial move on FOMC days tends to be the manipulation. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna just try for a short right here. Anyways, I got stopped at break even. I moved the stop to break even real quick because in my head, subconsciously, I still had a bullish bias, and I didn't have a lot of confidence in the trade. So then I saw, okay, we had this breaker right here, the clearest breaker. If you guys don't know what a breaker is, this is a breaker. A breaker is when you have this pattern right here. So you have a high right here, we take out this low, and then we displace with a market structure shift, and then we tap into the breaker, and then we keep going up. So we had this perfect breaker right here, but I didn't take that breaker long. So if you did, props to you. But I waited for more confirmation. Again, we had this internal sweep, and then this market structure shift. After I saw this 5-minute candle, I knew we were gonna push up with this FVG reaction, breaker, SMT, and just an overall bullish draw. After I saw this 5-minute candle close, I just entered right here, and stops were like somewhere here. Stops were not that big. I remember I had a tighter stop, and yeah, just targeting those highs. We had some highs I was targeting. Yeah, these highs right here. So yeah, that's basically how FOMC went. It was pretty clean price action after FOMC, but again, before that, just chop. We didn't do anything in the AM session, and again, it was expected. So if you did trade that, you know, that's on you, man. Yeah, besides that, nothing much. Going into Thursday and Friday, I'm obviously gonna be bullish. Like, I mean, we're definitely gonna go for these highs. We're probably gonna go for all-time highs again. So yeah, just really bullish going into the next days. I'd want to see some type of retracement so I can find a trade. But again, the market doesn't do what I want it to do. It does whatever the fuck it wants to do. So yeah, we might as well, we can even just keep on pushing without coming down and retracing. And it seems like we are gonna do that because when we get like such a hard push up, like we rarely get retracements before getting to the draw on liquidity. So I'm not even expecting us like to get a retracement down here. I mean, if I can at least get a retracement into this revalue gap and this high right here, that'd be nice, and then I can find my longs up in there. But besides that, like I'm not expecting anything else. So yeah, that was today. I had a nice gym session today. You know, nice FOMC day, and yeah, like nothing much more. Just going into the next day's bullish, and yeah, like I don't know what to say, to be honest. Thanks again for the support on the videos. I'm thinking if I should start streaming, like just do live streaming, like streaming my trades, like streaming when I'm on the charts, you know what I mean? I'm obviously not gonna do that for free though. Like I'm gonna, like some people have the paid memberships on YouTube, like I can do something like that. And like if you can pay a certain amount of money and you guys can see me just live trading and all my thoughts and analysis and everything like that. And yeah, if you want to be a signal bot, do your thing, but I don't encourage that. But yeah, I can definitely start like a paid thing and you guys can just see me live trading on my computer and just, you know, everything that goes through my head and stuff like that. Let me know if you guys want that. I don't know, but yeah, that's what I'm thinking about doing because I'm almost at YouTube. I'm almost at the stage of being a YouTube partner, and I think that's when I can start doing things like that. So yeah, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and take care.